This video is for the lucky individuals who have just received a Spin Screed. For this assembly, you will need a 12-inch pipe wrench, a 9-inch chain clamp vice grip, a 5/16-inch Allen wrench, and a 1 1/8-inch open end wrench. When you open the Spin Screed package, you will find a power unit, a packet of handles, both live and dead ends, and an impact socket adapter, located in the live end assembly. If you ordered the battery-operated Screed, you will also receive 4 batteries, a battery charger, and a carrying bag. On the Spin Screed housing, you will see the reversing switch is accessible through an open porthole. By flicking this switch, you can reverse the rotation of the motor, allowing you to work from both sides of the pour, going either direction. You will also notice a green trigger that is used to turn the Screed on and off. Open the packet of handles. After opening the packet, screw in the shortest handle next to the green trigger and install the longer handle on the opposite end. Next, screw in the dead end T-handle with the rest of the components from the packet. When all the components are tight, it's best to have the hole in the end perpendicular to the T-handle. Remove the set of ends from the box. The impact socket adapter is installed in the live end assembly. In order to remove the impact socket, you'll need to depress a spring-operated pin with a small tool located in the small handle you just installed. Locate the chuck key on the body of the Spin Screed and install the adapter in the chuck of the electric power head. Once installed, the impact socket adapter should remain in the chuck. Removing the impact socket adapter is not necessary, and if removed, may lead to its loss. Return the chuck key and the special small tool to their storage locations. The next part involves installing the live and dead ends into the Spin Screed pipe. Insert the dead end into the Spin Screed pipe as shown. You can hold the pipe still by using a chain clamp vice grip, and the dead end with an open end wrench. Do not attempt to hold the pipe or keep it from turning simply by having a coworker hold on to it. You will not be able to produce the torque necessary to hold the ends of the pipe during use. Install the live end. Remove the socket head screw from the live end assembly. Install the live end and tighten the assembly as shown by using the pipe wrench on the knurled section. The live end needs to be installed very tightly, and do not use bigger wrenches than those shown. Once tight, the set screw should be replaced, and the live end assembly is ready to operate. Now you're ready to connect the power head to the Spin Screed pipe. To do this, you need to depress the locking pin in the impact socket adapter so that it can slide into the live end assembly. Once you've done this, the power head will be securely attached to the Spin Screed pipe. Now it's time to connect the T-handle to the dead end. Using the pin provided, the dead end T-handle can be attached to the Spin Screed pipe. It is recommended to have various other Spin Screed pipes set up with the ends installed so you can easily switch the power head from one pipe to another in a matter of seconds. For more information about Spin Screed, check out our website at Marshalltown.com.